of Vietnamese MC welcomes the newlyweds by English and Chinese.
And now, are you ready to once again warmly welcome our star of tonight, David and Anne? 你们准备好迎接今天最闪亮的新郎和新娘了吗 And now, please yell out the name David and Anne together, okay? 1, 2, 3, David and David and. Thank you everyone for the warm welcome. 好，现在再来舞台上是 David 和 Anne。